Next news. We're your hosts, Taylor
and Mackenzie.
This year we had our first sports team in school history.
Our sports reporter Ezra followed the team for one of their matches. Let's check out his report.
I'm here with the soccer team, and they're currently warming up. The other team is not here right now. So in the meantime, while they get here, I'm gonna interview some of the other players.
Man, I've been playing soccer for like a couple months. I'm not really a soccer fanatic. My friends got me into soccer. If I'm being honest, I want to win a championship. I want to give Mary Anderson Neighborhood Academy our first ever sports trophy.
How do you think the team will do this season?
I feel like the team will do good. I feel like this is our second game, so I feel like we did good last game, but we just couldn't pull through. I feel like we're going to do good today, and I feel like we're going to do good for the rest of the season.
Did anything else besides your friends make you want to join the team?
Yes. I wanted to really be involved, and like this looks good on my high school transcripts. So, you know, that's a part of it.
What do you plan on doing this season?
This season, I'm going to win. I'm going to win and be a great teammate. I'm going to lose some, I'm going to win some. But, because, like, my friends, decide a sports team seems fun, so I joined.
How long have you been playing soccer for?
So I started when I was 3.
3? Yeah.
And then I played soccer still, but I played more basketball and then soccer. And then I started playing soccer like more only like 2 years ago.
Okay. And what made you want to join the team? I've been getting a lot of responses that were like, "Oh, my friends were on the team, so I joined."
So reason I want to join the team is I want to make my family proud. I want to try to win games and stuff like that. And like I want to have it's like good memories with my teammates. I want to learn like how to play on the field and learn more about this like sport.
Yeah.
Cause like when I was 3 years old, I barely learned how to do some moves, and now I know how to do a lot of stuff.
What do you want to accomplish this season? Like any personal goals?
So I want to at least make like 7 goals maybe, or like 5, cause like I don't know if our next week's game is the last thing.
What do you think the team will accomplish this season?
I think they'll achieve teamwork, memories, and I think they will achieve good memories. Yeah, good memories together, and like new knowledge.
What are some goals you have this year?
To at least score 3 goals in the game.
Okay.
Like overall, I don't really care.
What made you want to join the team?
I mean, I played a while back and it's fun, and I just wanted to make some new friends because I'm new here. So.
How long have you been playing soccer?
At least probably like 3 years, maybe a little bit more.
How do you think the team will do this season?
I think we have a pretty good team. I haven't seen the other teams play. Well, I have, but I think we'll do pretty good.
We're going to get the dog for y'all today.
Thanks for that report, Ezra.
And congratulations to our soccer team. They recently placed 2nd in a tournament.
Next up, in the month of September, grades 5th through 8th took a trip to the zoo. They had a roaring good time.
Let's see what they experienced with the help of our reporter, Nasir.
To learn about animals and habitats. A monkey. Well, they're just cute. They're like that.
The king cobra, because I really like snakes. The monkey.
Yeah, I saw a lion, but it was sleeping, so it wasn't really scary, but like that would still scare me.
The silverback gorilla, because I hate gorillas.
I would say a gorilla. Yes, because people can just like learn about animals and know like what they eat and like, you know, like where they live and stuff like that.
Yes, because they need to, we need to learn a lot more about animals. And I feel like this should help them.
So we can see more animals that we're not able to see.
I think they need to change like their environment because it's easy to die in there, you know.
I think they need more freedom. Wow, that trip was wild.
Last but not least, our school recently went through a name change.
Students, teachers, and community members discussed and voted on the change. Let's learn more about this process.
In the spring of 2023, our community talked about changing our school name.
I think it is really awesome that our students are advocating for a school name that is more representative and inclusive and represents our values.
I think the school name change is a good idea considering how progressive the school wants to be with making sure that the community is involved and having the name of the school represent something that's positive instead of something that's a bit of a stain on our U.S. history.
I feel like it's good we change the school name, but it's going to take a lot because a lot of people are going to have like school shirts on that say like Chester Archer still. It's going to be a lot to change those.
I'm very proud of the 5th grade who kind of took the initiative and brought to life the issues that surrounded Chester A. Arthur. So I'm very proud of them in that sense.
Part of the process was getting the people's opinion on what the name should be.
I think the school name should be Frances Ellen Watkins Harper. She was an abolitionist and a poet.
I'm not too sure, but I guess if I had to come up with something on the spot, maybe something centered around the goal of the school of being a project-based school, so something that would align with that mission.
Nellie Rathrum Bright, because it would be like the cool bright school, like, period.
Karen the Count Academy.
Another part of the process was holding community meetings about the name change.
24% of the votes came from family members, 22% of the votes came from community members, and the remainder of the votes were from people who identified with other categories.
When voting ended, the chosen name was Marian Anderson Neighborhood Academy.
Marian Anderson Neighborhood Academy!
We asked our new principal, Dr. Patterson, about her thoughts on the name change.
I think anything that is student-led, scholar-led is a great idea. And so me coming new into the school, I read about how this process started, and it started with the advocacy of students. But I definitely think right now the fact that scholars' voices were heard, scholars were speaking at a board meeting, the name change was actually official. We have a ceremony coming up.
Well, that's all the news for today.
Thank you for watching. We're Taylor
and Mackenzie signing off.